Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today's recipe is bhuna chicken. So today I am going to show you how to make the bhuna chicken. So this is 500 gram boneless, chicken with bone. So first we'll mix some marination with some spices. We'll put some spices like a half teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon red chili powder. So we'll mix it. So we'll keep it for 10 minutes, and meantime I'll do other things. So we'll give them 10-minute rest. So this is like a whole spice, and there is some black pepper, some clove, some green cardamom, some cumin seeds, some whole coriander, and some cinnamon. So we have to roast it. Because I am making like a garam masala, so I am making little bit fresh one, give you fresh flavor. You need to fry little bit brown, and after that I will grind it. So marination is ready. Now I have to fry the chicken. Basically when you fry the chicken, after that when you cooking, it will be not broken. Chicken will be like a bind all the spices, and also become a hard. And top portion will be cooked, not inside. I have to cook on fast flame, like a high flame. So chicken is already fried. I have to fry a little bit on top portion, then because later it will be not broke easily. So it is already cooked on top portion. Rest of I will cook in the curry. So we are using the same oil. This is like a 4 tablespoon oil, and this is one onion, chopped onion. So I have to fry it, and also we'll put some cumin seeds. You have to make it like a fried, like a little bit brown. Then after that I will put rest of the spice. In meantime I will grind I already fried these whole spices, so I need to grind it. Because this is garam masala, so I have to make the fresh one. This is good flavor, fresh flavor. Okay, it's ready. When I make the onion will be ready, then I'll put the rest of the spices. So I'll see you in 5 minutes. So onion is already golden brown. So now I need to put the 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. A little bit you have to fry it, and after that I'll put the rest of the spices. Has to be now in medium flame, and this is 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon paprika powder, and this is 1 teaspoon salt as taste, and this is fresh made garam masala. I will put the 1 teaspoon, it. So before masala is like a burn, I have to put some water. And this is 4 tablespoons tomato paste. If you have a puree, you can use puree or tomato, crushed tomato, anything you can use it. I am using tomato paste. Basically tomato paste is bind all the spices together, onions and spices, and also give you the nice like flavor and also beautiful color. So you need to cook in a little bit high flame. Bhuna means it has to be everything like a dry. It's not like a semi gravy, not like a runny gravy. It's like a bhuna. Has to be binding all the spices together, bind with the chicken. So that's why we already fry before chicken, because it has to be a little bit strong. Otherwise it will broke. So we need to put some more water, like a half cup. At least we have to cook it 10 minutes because it's tomato paste. We need to cook it. So masala is ready, almost cooked. All the spices and onions and tomato paste is already cooked. Now time to put the chicken. So we need to cook the chicken at least 10 minutes because I already cook on top portion. So we need to cook from inside also. So I'll put some water and medium high flame. We'll cook 10 minutes. Chicken has been frying for the last 10 minutes. So you can see now it's almost dry. So we need to put some fresh cilantro and some fresh green chili and some sliced ginger. Mix it. You need to cook another 5 minutes to dry a little bit more. Chicken is already cooked, so I have to fry a little bit more. Chicken is ready, so I have to turn off the gas. So I will take it out. It has to be like this now. If you enjoy my recipe, like my video and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen.